Okay, I don't know if this is the way everybody drives to the shop with their supercharger, but when I put the supercharger in the trunk, I backed my car out. The thing weighs 100 pounds. Like, it felt so solid in my trunk. I backed it out, and when I stopped, I heard this plump, and I'm like, oh my god, I am so dumb. I am so effing retarded. But luckily it's very soft back here in the trunk, and it just kind of leaned over on its side. There was no damage, but it scared the living hell out of me, I'm not gonna lie. But the trunk is packed. I got a full-grown passenger. I wonder if I should, yeah, I should probably put his seatbelt on. I didn't think about that. Now that he's comfortable, I think it's time to head over. I'm going to meet my buddy who's going to follow me down to National City, which is on the other clear side of San Diego County. It's like a 45-minute drive. He's going to follow me to the shop. We're going to drop everything off, and he's going to take me back home. I decided not to do the headers today. Here's the thing. I live in California. I'm gonna have to take those things off here in a few years, and it just seems like such a hassle. So I might sell them. They're in their boxes. Someone will gobble them right up. I mean, I live in California. It was hard to get those things shipped here, and that's the other reason why I'm like, man, I went through all that work to get them, but I don't know, man. I don't know. If I really want the headers later, I still have them. This shop is very reasonable. For now, the 2.9 liter Whipple is going on, and we're gonna go from there. All right, just dropped the Mustang off. Brought the Whipple inside because it was sitting on my front seat. Didn't want it to get all messed up. Didn't want it to mess up my front seat, really. A Mustang dyno. All right, we're leaving. Be back in probably a week. You're so kind. You're kind.
It's like, nah, dude, I let him walk for a reason. That's right, bitch. I would have hit him and he would have fucking been hurt so bad, dude.
Oh, dude, you would have put him into the fucking side of that building.
You know what Chevys are made out of, bro? Like,
uranium, right?
bro, pretty much.
Oh. Day one of a new life. It's good to go. It's on the street, you know it's good to go. It's parked on the street, you know it's good to go.
We better, like I told you, you know, if you're gonna do those oil pump gears,
Yeah.
to buy the aluminum chain guides, and then flip the secondary, and then the bus tensioners. If
Okay.
you're gonna go through that, you know, you better off.
For the oil pump gears.
Yeah, I mean,
Gotcha.
you're gonna be right there. You're only gonna do one thing, but then you're gonna
May as well do it all.
neglect the other stuff. You know,
Yeah.
A lot of people don't realize that.
Alright.
So all the other stuff, the bots,
Yep.
I put everything, the injectors, everything is there. And then
Wow, there's old throttle body.
the other stuff is there, the instructions. I left it in the box.
Alright.
There's a sticker that tells you what the spark plugs and all this sort of stuff.
It's a little tricky. It's right here. Oh my god. Holy moly. Wow.
I took it for a drive. I just let it rock here when I run the block.
How's it feel? Powerful?
It's gonna be powerful.
Oh my God, Andrew.
Holy shit.
Yeah. It's not gonna be like perfect.
Yeah, it's not gonna be producing as much as it could. I hear when just with like a lung tune, it adds like 60 horsepower. Yeah. Like with once I do like a lung tune, you know, and I do the headers, like I know I probably really gotta start thinking about the oil pump gears.
It's all in the launch and keep it. You know, when you start seeing 7,000, you have shifted at 68.
Yeah, I'm not gonna redline it.
You know what I'm saying? 65, 60, you're not gonna need it to go all the way to 7,000 with the power that you're gonna have in the torque.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And sometimes when you rev the car all the way to red line, when the other gear comes in, it comes in down and it has to go up.
Right.
So when you shift it sometimes in between or a little early, when you hit the other one, it takes off.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
And it's I mean, it's a Whipple, so it's got it's got boost
The
everywhere.
torque is gonna be like flatline.
Yeah.
So that's not gonna have a problem.
That's why, like, I almost bought a Paxton, you know, but then I was like, they sell their Paxtons because they want to get a Whipple.
There was one guy with a Paxton here, E85 and all this, and the thing you had built. That shit was fast.
Yeah.
He was beating a lot of the cars the people that go outside on the streets.
Yeah.
And that guy was.
Yeah.
But he was fast.
You don't have full boost till 4,500 RPM though. You know, that's the only thing. 4,000 RPM. Yeah.
So it's gonna be the housing that I changed is inside there. So I changed it because it's plastic and it's the one that goes on top of the house and of the where the thermostat is, and it's like a white connector. But they always leak. I don't know why Ford does it that way, but always you undo it, and then when you're trying to put it back in, it has a lock, and it will lock, but it won't seal. It will have like a small drip. Sometimes when you warm it up, then they stop leaking. But I put the upgraded one. It's aftermarket. It's aluminum. It's a much better unit.
Okay.
So that's the only change.
And then the next thing I'm going to do is I really didn't is get an oil catch can. Oil catch can.
Especially if you go 85, you need catch cans.
Yeah.
My kid.
I didn't really realize the tune didn't come on the Tomahawk. You have to send the information to Whipple, and then they email you the tune. So he couldn't get a hold of me. I dropped it off Wednesday. He couldn't get a hold of me, and I called him Saturday because I thought it'd be done Saturday. And he was like, "Well, I need to know the specifics of the kit so I can email it to Whipple." So we emailed it to Whipple on Saturday. They were closed Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then I called Whipple yesterday, and they're like, "Well, it takes 48 to 72 hours for us to return the tune to you." So I told him, I was like, "Listen, I'm going to be carless." I was like, "Can you expedite it? I'm going to be carless," which wasn't exactly the truth, but like I wanted the car back. So
you got lucky.
They sent a tune right away.
You got lucky because I had, I could go directly to that guy and text him. You know, the guy is in charge of that department, and the steel takes 2 days.
Yeah. No, I called the lady. I said I told her I need my car. I was like, "Can you please expedite it?" she did it. So. Yep. All right,
man.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
Still, I can't believe it's fucking done. Fucking done. You want to go for a ride around the block? All right. I'm gonna be gentle, I promise.